Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend, and welcome to this new video here on Fetch. We're going to do full updates on the current situation. Yesterday in the live stream, somebody asked if I could include Fetch in my middle of the day market update. I forgot to do that. All right, so I saw some activity for Fetch earlier this morning, so I thought, all right, I'll do it right now. So whoever asked that, this is for you, but I hope I hope some other people can find value in that as well, because we're going to do a full update on Fetch or ASI here. I'm still referring to it as Fetch because some other people still do, right? And Fetch is still part of the alliance, but if you don't know, Fetch, Ocean, and Ajax, Singularity Net, Ocean Protocol, and Fetch.Ai. All merged into ASI. Most of you know that, but if you don't know, that happens, and that's why I'm calling it Fetch or ASI. But from now on, I'll call it ASI. It's one of the biggest AI projects in crypto, and what I like a lot about it, and look, the technicals are not great, and we'll talk about those a bit later. But we are in a massive downtrend here. All right, if you zoom all the way out, the main consolidation range we had was right here between 1.1 and 1.7. We had some sort of breakout early December. I still know that. I traded Fetch back then, but that was it. All right. Then we dropped back down. It was a fake out, and then after this bearish breakdown right here below $1, basically the bearish momentum started, and that has been going on now for some time. And you can even see on the 12-hour time frame that we're bearish. We're in a downtrend. All right. So technically, Fetch is not amazing. However, to be a little bit more positive, I do think that taking a look at the general valuation right now, I mean, ASI at this point of time has a market cap of $1.44 billion. I do think at that market cap, just purely fundamentally speaking, and then we'll talk about the technicals a bit later, purely fundamentally speaking, I think that's one of the best valued AI tokens in crypto. Now, obviously, valuations in crypto are very high, right? And they're not really worth it. But when we're talking about ASI, I really like what Singularity Net is doing. Ocean Protocol, well, it's a little bit more boring, so I cannot speak too much about that. But Fetch, with recent updates about their ASI Mini and just in general updates around that, has actually been working. They've been developing real AI use cases and real AI functionalities, and with that, it's one of the only projects that's actually doing that. Now, AI at this point of time is not strong, and the markets are also not strong, right? So that's why, in combination with some other things, probably that's why Fetch right now is in a downtrend. But I do think fundamentally that Fetch will bounce back. It's just that we need that technical confirmation, right? And right now, if you take a look at Fetch, I mean, there's a bullish divergence here with the RSI, which could provide us with some strength, but that's really not backed up with anything, right? I mean, we had a bit of a volume increase over the last week, but that was mostly because of the news on Sunday about the crypto reserve, and then we had some more volume kicking in, but that was like the main volume gains we had with ASI were defending the bottoms, right? So I do think at some point of time we're getting into a bottom, and like I said, there is a bullish divergence with the RSI, so that could be right here, but I would wait for some more confirmation on that, right? If you zoom all the way out, what you can see is that we are at a minor key level right here at 63.60 cents. Personally, this next level around 50 cents seems more interesting to buy, because at this point of time, like I said, we are still in the downtrend, and I don't see enough to suspect that that's going to change. So what I expect is stability for now, but I do think that eventually we'll drop down below our main support level here at 57.5 cents, and that will drop down into that level right here between 50 and 46 cents. I will try to keep you updated on that, on ASI if you want to, let me know. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and bye.